I am Preeti Ikka. Today I review a product. The name is Funnelvio Viddle Edition. Proudly presenting fastest loading video hosting with the fastest loading funnel to earn even faster. Google hates slow loading pages. If your pages are taking more than 2 seconds to load, your traffic will take a hit. Google is cracking down on slow loading pages, and most of the funnel builders out there serve up slow pages. If it takes any more than 2 seconds for the page to load, Google considers it a dead page. Well, since you are now part of the Viddle family, the super fast lag free Viddle family, we don't want you to get stuck with slow loading pages and lost traffic. To avoid this problem, we extra optimized our funnel builder, Funnelvio, so that any pages you create with it load within 2 seconds. Then we created a custom version of Funnelview to work hand in hand. A funnel system built by expert marketers to make you look like a marketing expert. Your current funnel builder is leaking profits and costing you way more than it should. I know this may come as disappointing news, but I better tell you this now because the longer we wait, the more money you lose. The current funnel builders in the market, including the big one that starts with C, do three things critically wrong and that loses you money. Number one, their pages load slow. Number two, their sites go down. Number three, they overcharge you. So, here is the answer.
By now you have secured your copy of our fast-loading video player, Viddle. But what if you could have the same speed and efficiency with funnels? You have seen how Viddle gives you the edge you need to attract and keep video hosting clients. Understand though, no matter how fast Viddle loads your videos, if the pages with those videos on them load too slowly, Google is not going to rank them well, and that means missed opportunities. The truth of the matter is, if it takes any more than 2 seconds for your pages to load, Google considers it a dead page. To fix this problem, we have been tweaking our funnel builder and checkout system, that is Funnelvio. Now with this system, any page you build will load within 2 seconds, resulting in a higher ranking in searches and more free traffic for you and your clients. Today on this page, I want to give you access to Funnelvio Viddle Edition, something we have never offered before. As a marketer like me, I know you can see how our Funnelvio Viddle Edition upgrade will move you way ahead of your competition at a lightning speed. And since you have committed fully to Viddle, we want to commit fully to you as well. So we took the offer you're about to see and upgraded you to unlimited everything in Funnelvio. That is unlimited sites, unlimited visitors, unlimited pages, unlimited funnels, and we also upgraded you to our priority support level. Plus it costs way less than what you would pay for ClickFunnels. Keep watching the rest of this video to uncover an amazing deal. Imagine in just a few minutes you will be able to clone and edit any funnel on the internet. Not just one page, the entire funnel with just a single click. After that, you will be able to edit these pages in a super powerful builder that publishes these pages that load extra fast, and they take nothing more than a drag and drop to build, leaving you to make extra money by sharing these funnels you create all with a single click. And you can relax knowing that your funnel is dropping every dime in your pocket with an uptime reliability score of 99.9%. Now stop imagining and meet Funnelvio, the first of its kind funnel builder which turns the entire internet into your playground. With all the features you need to build your funnels, sell, market, and deliver your products like a total pro. Funnelvio comes with lightning fast loading, which means that you maximize conversions and don't lose customers and profits to slow loading pages, even on massive pages like this one. You get rock solid reliability. Our proven 99.9% uptime over the past 3 years will stop you losing time and money and save you a ton of hassle. Then we've got a very great value. Funnelvio gives you more features than our competitors for less cost. Ready to get started? Excellent. Simply click the button below. We'll have you building, cloning, and selling in no time. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're also going to give you a commercial license included, so you'll be able to sell funnels onto high-paying clients and pocket 100% of the profits. If you're still on the fence, then make sure you watch the rest of this video, and let's dive a little deeper into why Funnelvio is going to leave your existing funnel building looking outdated, unreliable, slow, and expensive. Hey, this is Neil Napier, and on this page I want to present a limited time opportunity to you. An opportunity to bank 6 and 7 figures per year like many online marketers do using the power of funnels. Over the last few months, we have opened up our autoresponder Mailvio and webinar platform Meetvio to the public, and the response has been phenomenal. So you can rest assured Funnelvio is going to blow your expectations out of the water. We used our funnels to market these products. Our ultra fast loading pages and beautiful templates resulted in over $600,000 in sales for just these 2 products alone. And other marketers like me are regularly generating 6 to 7 figures a year by building funnels that sell their products and services. Now, what if I was to level the playing field for you? What if I was to give you the same capability that they have, for which they pay between $97 and $297 per month? But in this case, you won't pay anywhere near that. Let me quickly walk you through all the features you will unlock today with Funnelvio. Blazingly fast loading pages with 99.9% uptime. The ability to create unlimited funnels and pages serving 100,000 visitors a month. Built-in checkout and reporting system to sell products with PayPal, Stripe, and more. Built-in product delivery system that delivers your welcome emails with products instantly. Over 160 pre-done modern design pages as part of 16 templates which are ready to use. Built-in page importer where you can import any page online and build your next page within minutes. One-click share funnel ability that pays you anytime someone buys Funnelvio from your link. No coding or technical skills required. Fully web-based, just log in and profit. Now there's a whole lot more which you can read on this page. Funnelvio has been built from the ground up with an exclusive focus on marketers' needs. It's built by marketers for marketers like you and me. So we understand your frustrations, we understand what you most need from a funnel builder, and we're giving it all to you right here on this page. As long as you have something to sell or a message to share with others, Funnelvio will fulfill your needs. But here's a really cool part. We don't just stop by giving you Funnelvio. If you get in today, you can also unlock exclusive bonuses we have set aside for you. These include a commercial license to Funnelvio, so you can use this to build funnels and sell products for clients as well. A bonus workshop where I will share our proprietary framework that will help you generate 6 figures with funnels, and we use a very specific kind of funnel for that. I will even give you a copy of that funnel for free when you show up. Then you also get a funnel building checklist, so you don't lose sight of what you're building, and you also get a traffic hacking checklist which will help you drive targeted traffic to your funnels. All these are yours as soon as you get Funnelvio, as are all the future updates and new features that we'll be adding to Funnelvio. All this is yours as soon as you click below. But you have to act before the timer on this page hits 0, because when that happens, the price will go up. And our amazing bonuses, including your commercial license, will be removed and will cost additional fees. So click on the button below and get your copy of Funnelvio right away. My team and I look forward to welcoming you to our growing digital family and hearing your success stories.